Hey y'all, it's Maya back with another frequently asked question. What is a custom wig? That is one of my most commonly asked questions. What is a custom wig and what makes it different than a regular or traditional wig? A custom wig is a versatile or convenient solution for you if you're looking for a natural looking or customizable wig, whether it's for medical purpose such as hair loss, thinning, or fashionable purpose such as liking to just do your hair, switch your hair, wear colorful hair, and like good quality hair, but want it custom sized or custom fitted. That's what a custom wig is. A custom wig comes sized to the wearer's head, like for the circumference of the wearer, whatever your circumference is, that's what size the wig would be. Normally, the best way to get your circumference for a wig is to take your circumference yourself with a tape measure, go to your local stylist and have her take your measurements, book a consultation to have your measurements took, but your circumference is the main thing that you want to know. Most store-bought wigs or average traditional regular wigs ordered online are a size medium. So I normally tell my clients and customers, if you know that normal average size wig is too big for you, I would go down to a size small. Like for me, a regular size wig ordered offline is too big for me. So I need a size small, which is a 21 inch. If you know that a regular size wig is too small for you and you need it a little bigger, I would go up to a size large. Again, to be more specific, you need to take your own measurements or have your measurements took. After you figure out your measurements, you need to know the length you want your wig, the color, the texture, the density, all of that you get to pick, which is what make your wig custom again, because it's made to your liking. You need to know your lace type. Lace can be tricky because it can come too dark. We offer HD lace, which gives the most realistic and natural look, and transparent lace. Both of those blend well with any skin tone. Transparent lace is a little bit thicker, so it lasts a little bit longer. However, either lace is very fragile, so you still have to be careful how you take care of the hair. There are 3 types of custom wigs: full lace wigs, lace closure wigs, lace frontal wigs. Full lace wigs have lace throughout the entire wig and it's easier to style in any direction, making it more versatile than lace closures and lace frontals. Lace closure wigs have a small section of lace, which is what I'm wearing now. It's a lace closure, so it only goes from here to here. It has a small section of lace and it's best for a glueless wig, everyday wig wearers. Once it's styled, that's the best wig to wear it glueless. Frontal wigs go from ear to ear. They have lace that go all across the hairline. It's best for anybody that like to do half up, half down styles, switch your part from side to side, middle. Those are good for frontals. Proper care and maintenance is very important with a custom wig, and making sure that you have premium quality hair so that you can make sure you get the best long-lasting longevity and durability out of the wig. This wig is 2 years old and it's been colored 2 times. It started off with our natural color, the natural black, kind of with the hint of brown. I'll show it to y'all. So this hair that I got on now was first this hair here, beat wave, and it was the natural color. I colored it dark blue the first time, and then I ended up, it had turned to like this little greenish little color. So then I ended up going back and coloring it again to make it like a custom color. But I just put different shades of blue on it that time so it'll pick up different hints of blue. And I actually like this color better, but it still holds the curl. Chemically processed twice and Revamp. It still holds the curl. So you want to make sure that if you're getting a custom wig or if you're buying bundles, you just want to make sure that it's premium quality, because that's where you're going to get your money's worth out of it. And you want to make sure you know your head circumference so that it's your size and you can wear your wig glueless. Closure wigs are the best wigs to wear glueless. Frontals are highly recommended for special occasions, or if you know how to take care of a frontal wig, you can get a frontal. Frontals are just more high maintenance than lace closure wigs. So if you're a beginner, start off with a lace closure wig, sew in, quick weave. If you're just getting into lace, start off with a closure. And you don't have to get a closure with the baby hair effect. All that's optional. Get a basic closure. Really, it's to protect your hair. The whole point about it is to protect your hair, protect your natural hair, and still look and feel amazing. That's what a custom wig is. Shop with me if you want premium quality hair that lasts up to 3 years. can be colored, still hold the curl, and you get a custom size. Drop any comments or questions or concerns or any other videos that y'all want me to do. So let's recap on how to get a custom wig. 1, know your circumference. 2, know your length. 3, know your density. 4, know your color. 5, know your texture. 6, know the style that you want. If you're looking for premium quality hair that lasts up to 3 years, that holds the curl after being colored, as you can see, and help you feel amazing, and you can save money because you know you got premium quality hair and it's easy to switch your looks at any time because you don't got to worry about no heavy shedding, no tangling. Shop with me at www.touchedbymaya.com. We got HD lace closure wigs, transparent lace closure wigs, frontal lace wigs, no full lace wigs, bundle deals, deep wave hair, skirt hair, 613 hair, which is best for coloring bright colors. Again, this was done on the natural color hair, so our natural color hair colors as well as the 613 hair. Shop now if you want premium quality hair that's gonna last. It has minimum sheddings and tangles, colors well, virgin hair, custom fitted wigs. www.touchedbymaya.com. Shop now. Like and subscribe to my channel. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers, and I'll be back.